How is the market in Highlands Ranch? Hey, it's Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group, and it is Monday, November 27th. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, and like we do every single Monday, we look at the high-level overview of how is the real estate market in Highlands Ranch. Number one question I get out and about as a realtor is, hey Sean, how's the market? And rather than answering that in generics, we're going to answer it today in specifics. So like we do every single week, we start with the table of contents, if you will, and then break it down from there. Now, it was Thanksgiving last week. As they say on Wall Street, light week of trading, and that will certainly reflect in the numbers, except for one, which we'll get to. So last week, in the last 7 days, 4 new listings hit the market in all of Highlands Ranch. There are also 2 that are coming soon, and 1 fell out of contract and is going back to the market. So that is a total of 7 properties that either hit the market or are hitting the market in the past week. Okay, 7. Remember that number. Now let's take a look at what came off. First and foremost, 16 homes went under contract last week, even though it was Thanksgiving. 4 withdrew from the market. That is 20. And 8 expired off of the market. That is 28. So literally 4-1 in terms of coming off of the market versus coming on the market. And I say this every single week. That further exacerbates, if I'm saying that word right, whatever, the inventory challenges that the Highlands Ranch market faces. 4 times as many homes coming off than going on. Let's break down what happened last week. We're going to start with the closed properties first and just take a quick look at the statistical view of these. So 6 homes closed last week. Anywhere from 496 and change all the way to 865. Nothing super high end closed last week, so that's an average price of 661. Median price of 632,000. Looks like they spent anywhere from 2 to 156 days on the market for an average of 48 days on the market, yet median of just 22. So about 3 weeks market time for those 6 if we're looking at the median. Let me go back. Let's check out next what went under contract. As I mentioned, the total was 16 homes, more than expected. Anywhere from $415,000 up to $1.23 million. So that's an average of 687 and change, median of 657 and change. Total days on market went anywhere from 8 to 93. So that's an average of 37 and a median of 24. So about 3.5 weeks median market time for both the homes that closed and the homes that went under contract last week. Let's look at these 4 lonely new listings. Anywhere from $495,000 up to $745,000. Average of 638.5, median of 657. Not paying attention to days on market here because these all hit in the last 0 to 7 days. So what do we take from this? This is 3 weeks in a row now, I believe, that the amount of properties coming off the market has more than double or even triple, in this week's case, quadrupled the amount of homes coming on the market. So if you're a buyer out there, obviously you're limited by, your choices are limited. If you are a seller out there, not a bad thing, right? Because you have less and less and less and less and less and less competition. I know nobody wants to move during the holidays. If you sell your home right now, odds of moving during the actual holiday week, pretty low. Your odds are that you're probably closing sometime in January. So not a bad time to start the process of selling a home, even if you don't plan on being on market until after the holidays or even after the new year. So there you have it. How's the market in Highlands Ranch for today, November 27th, 2023? We'll see you next Monday.